What's up, bitches? We're motherfucking back with another motherfucking video. How y'all doing? Period. Let's get to it. Firstly, I'm gonna take my big old petroleum jelly and slap it all over my face. Literally. Oh, this is gonna be Easter look. An Easter look. Because Easter is coming up. So okay, you guys, so we're doing an Easter look today, period. Full glam Easter vibes, you know, because Easter's on the 4th, so it's this Sunday. So we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop this video Sunday, so I'm gonna drop it literally on Easter instead of before Easter, but I'm recording this before Easter. So yeah, go ahead and get into this joint. This is the foundation that I'm using. It's to fit me, and it's in 355. This isn't full coverage. This is like a medium full coverage for me. Just wanted to let you know that I don't use primer. That's not what I use. Like I said, I freaking put petroleum gel on. That's it. Okay guys, so we back. I just put the foundation on. So next we're gonna put the 355 coconut matte poreless powder, and this is just going to make sure my face is not still glossy. It looks like. Go follow me on TikTok. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow, and I'm trying to figure out what color to do because I really don't know what freaking color to. Smoky eye palette, of course, and we're gonna go in with this color called Nutmeg right here, and this is what it looks like. Let's get into it, Nutmeg. We're gonna go into the Spectrum palette, a little filthy, and we're gonna go in with this color Amber. Okay, next we're gonna carve out that eye with the little, let me show you guys the concealer. Of course, this is Maybelline. Guys, I don't really know how to do this, so bear with me. Like Tiana Taylor said. Okay, so which is called Teleport. That's right here. It's really cute. So we're gonna take the brush and we're gonna press it up in there. Oh, we're not done yet. We're not done. We're gonna take some foundation. This is how I clean up my eye look. Okay, you guys, so that's done. Eyes is done. We can start moving on to concealer. This is cute. This is giving me very, I'm chilling with my family vibes. Okay. I know I look crazy. I know what it is. I know what it do. Then I come to this no. How about you? Just like that. There we go. Get the Poreless name. So we're gonna do some eyebrows. Guys, this is a simple Easter look, okay? Period. We're gonna do some little rosy cheeks because I just feel like it's so dead. And I need some cheeks or something. Just we're gonna put some eyebrows on. We're gonna do the brows for real this time. And we're gonna do some eyelashes. Clear off the look. Just, I feel like I wanna make my nose a little bit more smaller because I feel like it's so big. We look good. We look good. Period. Period. Now I'm all in this. Now we're gonna get into the freaking eyebrows montage. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And bye. So where I got is, babes. Bye. Make sure you drop a comment and a like. We're out.